Good day, everyone. Alice here from Safi Financial Network. Today is November 16, 2023. Here's another daily analysis, S&P 500 daily chart. We had a surge today, kind of like halfway through of yesterday's sell-off. So we didn't get a follow-through with yesterday sell-off. This shooting star still valid if we get another like downtick for tomorrow, or I should say a Friday. That would be great. But usually Friday market will have upside move. This is last Friday, remember? So we had nice surge to the upside and initiate this rally. However, it doesn't mean that Friday we can't have sell-off. There are lots of sell-offs happening Friday. However, we are kind of like a due for corrective move. We are due for correction, and let's wait for market, see if it gives us another opportunity for buying stocks, because if we get a corrective move to here, that would be a great buying opportunity. So we should just wait for that one. Lots of people are shorting the market. I just warned you before, specifically in 3 days video, that don't short the market. Market is in a good momentum to the upside. So any corrective move could be a great buying opportunity. So wait for a corrective move to give you a buying opportunity. If you want to short the market, you will see some short squeeze, something like this, or even something like this, and your account will be liquidated after 2-3 sessions. So just be careful on that. Always don't fight the momentum. Wait for momentum to giving you a chance for another kind of like a buying opportunity. Always follow the momentum. Don't go with against the momentum, I should say. Momentum wise, we are kind of like a pretty bullish. We are just flatting on overbought condition, which means momentum still is high, and RSI is getting to the overbought condition, which is kind of like important resistance wise. Whenever we get to this area, to overbought condition, we are seeing some corrective move to the downside. So let's wait for that one. Still, we will have a chance to go higher, but I should say the higher or upside target is kind of like a limited 4,500. You should see a momentum is just getting down, cool down a bit to 4,400, and then 4,400. We will see another buying opportunity. Volume-wise, pretty light today, 66 million for SPY, which is S&P 500 ETF. And light volumes means there is no institution in the market. Moving on to Nasdaq, which had an uptick today as well. So we got almost 50 points to the upside, getting back above 800 level, so 15,823 right now. This is future market, and still looking for a corrective move for this one as well. So if you get a bounce, sharp sell off to 15,400, or even lower, like a middle of this wide range bar, in this top, and then this wide range bar, which is 15,300. That would be a good scenario for buying opportunity. So still looking for kind of like that move for the market to gives us chance for more buying opportunity. Market is just in a breakout. This weekly a candle closed very, very positive. So I should say when weekly candle is positive after this breakout, we should just be ready for a bullish momentum. This is gonna be very, very sharp one. Look at this. When we got the same price action here, look what happened after that. So we got here another sharp rally to the upside. So this is the gigantic one. So we just break out. Any pullback, any even halfway through pullback would give us a great buying opportunity for a bullish momentum. At least for a short-term period, December timeframe, we can get to 16,351 to 17,350, which is going to be a new all-time high. So I'm just looking for that one year end, or even I should say early January or early 2024. That would be kind of like the scenario for the market. Moving on to US 30, which is Dow Jones. Dow had a positive day, so nothing bad with Dow. Still consolidating prior this supply area. So if it goes down here to middle of this candle, that would be great buying opportunity. I should say it's coming. I'm just waiting for this one. And if we get back here, this is going to be a great setup for breakout. So we can just break out nicely to the upside. Double top, new all-time high for this year. would be a possible scenario for Dow Jones. We are pretty close. If we get above this, I should say, and this pivotal point, we are easily can go to new all-time high or at least double top for Dow Jones Industrial. Moving on to gold, had a substantial move to the upside. So as I said, there are two scenarios for gold. ABC corrective move, then rally to the upside. And as I mentioned before, there is going to be just going above this, coming back down, and then rally to the upside. Both of them ultimately looking for a bullish momentum. So fair enough, we had a good surge today, just getting above SMA 20, getting to this kind of like a daily, I should say, short hour session supply area. We can get back to this area, which is 1974. But after that, we can see another rally to the upside. Resumption is coming. And I should say gold is kind of like getting ready for another move to the upside. It's pretty good corrective move to here. If you use Fibonacci even, which I rarely use or sometimes use when it's specifically coming to supply demand area. We got into 38% Fibonacci and retracing back up. If we get above this pivotal point, which is 2000, we are going to back to the next level, which is going to be 2055 to 2087, which is going to be new all-time high. So let's wait for this one and let's put our, here is the price target that I have for December timeframe, we can see. And the good thing is gold miners are showing the leading right now. So gold miners are looking bullish. So when gold miners are looking bullish, and we will get to that one in a bit, gold can follow them. That would be a great scenario for the market. Moving on to crude. Crude just smashed to $71 to $73, which is the area that I was looking for a long time. So if you remember, when price was here, we were mentioning that crude ultimately target this place. So if you're short, make sure that this is a good target area for your profit. So make sure that book the profit off the table and getting ready for another reversal to the upside. So I should say this could be a knee-jerk reaction to here. $82 could be a possible scenario, which is going to be another $9 to $10 to the upside. So be ready for that one. I'm just getting ready for that one, to be honest. For whatever reason, crude is a high potential scenario is going to be like a reversal to the upside, at least to 80 to 82. So be careful on that one. We may see some good reversal for crude. And moving on to individual names, starting with yield. Yield is coming down today, so this is a good scenario. This is a good choppy consolidation. So if we make this bear flag consolidation, we can break out 475. The next target is going to be 452. And even before that, after that, we can get to 425. So that would be kind of like a good scenario for yield. I'm just looking for that one. I believe yield is top here, and any rally could be kind of like a dead cat bounce, and we can get lower price for yield. Treasury is coming back up nicely today, so inverse correlation with yield. Treasury is just hiking up, $89 right now. It can go to 91 to 94 for an important level for Treasury. So if we get there, probably we'll see another a corrective move to the downside. I should say Treasury is bottom here. This is pretty nice bottoming scenario, multi-months bottom there. VIX just starting to go higher. So this is pretty interesting. When market is up, VIX is getting higher. This means VIX is getting to important area, which is going to be a $13.50, and then retracing back up. Right now it's $14.32. And then we can see this one is getting back to $19. So we will see how it goes with VIX. Dixie, kind of like a consolidation in this demand area. It doesn't show a good price action. I should say this consolidation forms a bear flag. We can see some kind of like action and then coming down sharply again. So that would trigger gold price to go higher. Moving on to magma indicator. This one is getting positive today. Good price action. Apple $1.70 up. Amazon 37 cents down today. So still working out on that top information for Amazon. Next stop is Meta. Meta had a surge to the upside today. It's pretty nice when you see market um, is showing the divergence on the top. So we have seen Amazon is red. Here's the Amazon. So I know that that was a big surge, but gap down. Look at the gap. The gap was pretty down, and nice surge to the upside. Is it going to be just a top information or not? So we'll see. Meta is up today. Microsoft 6.50 cents to the upside, new all-time high for Microsoft. So this stock is rockstar right now. So the only think that Nasdaq is pretty strong. Not the only, but one of the most important one is this Microsoft, $3 billion market cap company. It's pretty good search for the upside. Google had a nice uptick today, so pretty nice surge. After hours, it goes down, but overall, look at the Google. So we bought, we'll put a spread here for our subscribers. Right now, we are almost pretty close to 100% profit target price for that one. So good for us. Netflix, $5 uptick today. So pretty nice surge to the upside. This is kind of like a spiky overbought condition, Netflix, but still rocking. So it's pretty nice. Tesla's 3% down. So Tesla is pretty close to my target price, the 250 to 255, and then reversing back down. Even after hours, it goes lower, 231, still above this area. So I don't know if Tesla can hit downside to here for the next 15 days or so, but still, it's pretty good search for Tesla. I think Tesla can go all the way down here to this area, to 220. And then if we see a reversal, that's going to be a good buying opportunity for next target, which is going to be a 250. Probably we are going to pierce through and then reversal is coming. So that's the way that I look at Tesla right now. Moving on to the next one, which is the semiconductor SMH, 60 cents to the upside, but again after hours it goes down. It's kind of like it going even below yesterday price. So that's pretty nice. When you see market is going to have a gap down tomorrow. Seems like Friday early session is going to be a red day. SOX, the same pattern. It goes down 25 cents up, but after hours, it goes down. So it seems like tomorrow we will have a gap down. Taiwan Semiconductor ended up negative. After hours, the same. AMD, pretty nice surge to the upside, $1.83 to the upside, 119. AMD, I should say. We can see a good corrective move to 111. NVIDIA, $5.92 up. NVIDIA can hit new all-time high, I should say, specifically another time this year. Texas Instrument, 2 cents up. Not a bad price action. So this W pattern forms. We are just getting close to this top of the capitulation. If it consolidates here, which I believe we are, we nailed the bottom here. So Texas Instrument can go all the way up at least to 160, 170. Lam Research, $2.54 up. After hours, look at that. So it's just a smash dollar from 700 to 685, $15 to the downside. So tomorrow, Lam Research will have hard time early morning. Moving on to financials, pretty nice breakthrough and follow through for XLF, 14 cents up, not a bad price action. KBE, 45 cents down. Consolidation can lead the price higher. KRE, the same pattern. It just goes down a bit, 57 cents. Consolidation can move the price higher as well. JP Morgan was the leader today, so $1.50, $1.71 up. Goldman Sachs on the other side going down, 93 cents down. Bank of America, 8 cents down. Wells Fargo, 31 cents down. So you see that JP Morgan is rocking among the other ones. Moving on to the gold miners. Gold miners had a pretty nice sharp move to the upside, but sellers just took control because of this gap. So still, this is a pretty, I should say, let me just change this because I want to show you something pretty interesting. So if I go, let me just, this trend line, I'm going to make it thinner. And I just want to show you something. So this is a trend line, obviously, but look at this. Look at this. It's a pretty nice bull flag is forming, right? So if this one goes above this, and this is a pull, and just wondering if we get above this, specifically above this $29.30, I should say reverse head and shoulder, a monk with bull flag on the right shoulder. That could be very, very fantastic buying opportunity. I should say it can go higher and higher. So looking for that one. Be careful, folks, if you're shorting this one because there is no time for shorting gold miners. Gold miners probably they are gonna just the beginning of the wake, and when they are waking, they can be parabolically moving to the upside, something like this. So just be mindful of that. GDX, that was GDX, GDXJ, the same pattern, even better. Look at the consolidation. It's kind of like a flat consolidation. AEM, the same pattern. If it get above a $50, it can easily go to this area, which is 57, more than 12% to the upside. Newmont had a surge to the upside, getting to this demand supply area, rejected, but still, if it goes above $40, that can go higher. Franco-Nevada, 92 cents up. Gold Barrick, 27 cents up. So Franco-Nevada, I should say, if we hold above this area, we can see another price hike to 126. If it gets above 126, it can go very, very higher. XLE on the other side, energy stocks coming down sharply. XOP, $4 sharply coming down. OIH, $11 to the downside. This one can go to 281. Exxon, $1.20 down. Chevron, look at the gap. So it goes below this area and coming back up. I believe they are pretty close to the bottom information, specifically when crude is at 71 to 73. So if you see crude is coming back up, this one can sharply move to the upside. So just be careful on that one as well. All right. I think I covered everything. If you like this video, please smash the like button, subscribe to our channel, and have a good one. See you on the chart. Bye-bye.